How to create or open a BullX account. So let's start. So first we have to head on to the available browser right here, and we just have to go to their official website, which says bullx.io. And now we want to go ahead and click this button right here that says connect Telegram. So now we're on a new tab, so we can use the Telegram to open the BullX bot, but in my case I'm going to use this Telegram in the website desktop. So now that we're here, we can type in the start on the message box, and then it says that we are currently on the waitlist for early access. But if we have an early access right here, we can paste it on the message box. But before that, we just have to click this upper left button right here, and we have to set our username. So we can click on the settings and just set up our username just below our mobile number. Now if we already have this, we already have our username set, so that should be good. Next that you're going to do is use an access code. So for example, I have this access code right here. We can now enter. So what we're going to do next is to click this login button right here. So after that, we have to click open, and there we go. So you just have to click on the next button right here, and you can also fund your wallets to trade instantly by scanning on this QR code right here, or just copying the link. So but we can also do that later. So we can start trading by clicking this button right here. So there you have it. You have successfully created your BullX account. So this is how to create or open a BullX account. If you have any questions, just leave us a comment down below, and we'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.